everyone, my name is Molly and I work with the Fort Worth Public Library. If you're anything like me, you're an avid reader who's on the constant hunt for that perfect bookmark. Today I'm going to show you a fun, easy, creative way to mark the corner of your page so that it's easy to pick up your book right where you left off.
Alright, first thing that we're going to want to do is take a square sheet of paper. I am actually using some of the printed paper that I made earlier, and a link is provided in the section below if you want to make your own printed paper. Now we're going to take this and turn it to where the pattern is not facing us, and then we're actually going to turn it on its side diagonal. We're going to take this bottom corner here and bring it up to the top. And make sure that all the corners are together and create that nice crease at the bottom there. Next, we're going to take this corner here and bring it all the way over to the top, like so, and then create that crease. And then we're going to take this other corner and do the same thing. So now we're going to have a smaller square, like so. All right, and now we're going to open these flaps, and we're going to take this top corner here and fold it down. Don't overlap it, and we're going to create another crease. And we're going to take this corner, and we're actually going to fold it behind here. So we're going to take this and then tuck it in like it's going to bed. We're actually going to do the same to the other corner. So tuck it in like it's going to bed. And now it is ready to place on your book. And now it's ready to be placed in your book, like so.
One of the most amazing things about these bookmarks is it allows you to be as wild or creative as your imagination allows. Depending on the size of the book that you're carrying, you might create something small like this, or something bigger like this. It's completely up to you. One of my favorite things about using painted paper with these types of bookmarks is that it allows for a print on the front as well as the back. I can't wait to see the bookmarks that you've created the next time I see you in the library.